Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great today and ready to improve your English. In today's video, we are going to talk about something many learners ask about: how to practice English speaking when you are alone. Many students believe they cannot improve their speaking unless they have a partner, a teacher, or a conversation group. But the truth is that you can improve your English speaking skills even when you are by yourself. In this lesson, I will show you several simple and powerful ways to practice speaking alone, including self-talk, shadowing, role play, question and answer practice, and storytelling. First, let's understand an important idea. Speaking English is a skill, just like playing a musical instrument or learning a sport. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Even if you do not have someone to talk to every day, you can still train your brain and your mouth to produce English. Practicing alone allows you to speak freely without feeling shy or worried about mistakes. It also helps you build confidence before speaking with real people. One of the easiest ways to practice speaking alone is self-talk. Self-talk means talking to yourself in English about your daily life. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can describe what you are doing. You might say, "Good morning. Today I am going to study English. First, I will make breakfast. After that, I will watch an English lesson." Speaking your thoughts out loud helps your brain become comfortable using English for real situations. Another effective method is shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen to English and repeat it immediately at the same time as the speaker. Imagine the speaker says, "Today is a beautiful day." You repeat instantly, "Today is a beautiful day." By copying the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation, you train your mouth to speak more naturally. Shadowing is excellent for improving both listening and speaking skills at the same time. You can also practice speaking alone by using role play. Role play means imagining a conversation between you and another person. For example, imagine you are at a cafe. You can say, "Hello, I would like a cup of coffee, please." Then you pretend to be the waiter and answer, "Sure. Would you like sugar with that?" Then you respond again, "Yes, please, just a little." This simple exercise helps you prepare for real-life conversations. Another powerful activity is question and answer practice. Ask yourself common questions and answer them out loud. For example, "What did I do today?" You might answer, "Today I studied English, watched a video, and practiced speaking. Another question could be, why do I want to learn English? Your answer might be, I want to learn English because it helps me communicate with people around the world. Practicing questions and answers helps you organize your thoughts quickly in English. You can also improve your speaking through storytelling. Choose a simple story and tell it in your own words. For example, you might say, yesterday, I went to the market. I bought some fruit and vegetables. The market was busy, but it was a nice experience. Storytelling helps you practice connecting sentences and speaking for longer periods of time. Let me share a short story about one of my previous learners. Her name was Sarah. Sarah wanted to improve her English speaking, but she did not have many people to practice with. Instead of giving up, she started practicing alone every day. She talked to herself while cooking, walking, and studying. She used shadowing with short videos and practiced role-play conversations. At first, she felt a little strange talking to herself, but after a few weeks, she noticed that speaking English became easier. After 3 months, Sarah felt confident enough to join online conversations and speak with other learners. She often said that practicing alone was the step that helped her the most.